Well, TeamViewer started with people helping people by helping them connect to PCs remotely. And we think now that more and more things are connected via the Internet of Things, it's only natural for people to help machines when there's something wrong with an IoT device that they could use TeamViewer to be able to connect to that device. And ultimately, it will be machines helping machines using the same network to be able to create a healing network for IoT devices. TeamViewer monitoring is about understanding the health of your IoT environment. It's making sure that devices are all connected, are functioning properly, and are operating within the prescribed values.
We can store this data in a historical fashion or in a time series, and that can later be viewed in a graph. And also you can be alerted using thresholds or simple rules to trigger alerts or additional actions that could take place based on your needs.
Remote control takes over once monitoring identifies that there's an issue. The operator can go in, basically be virtually in the device, and be able to see what's going on, see if they have to change values or if there's a part that needs to be replaced. It can also be used for things like over-the-air updates or making configuration changes. And then, of course, the most advanced use of remote control is to actually control the remote machinery.
The security of TeamViewer IoT is 100% the same as the TeamViewer product itself. So we have end-to-end encryption. It's completely secure. All data traffic that is transmitted in IoT, in TeamViewer IoT, is also end-to-end encrypted. So there's no possibility of a data leakage whenever you do a remote control session to an IoT device.
With our global access network, we have scale today. We've already connected 1.5 billion devices around the world. And that same infrastructure, that same secure infrastructure is available to our largest IoT customers and also smallest IoT customers that have a project they just want to start. And when they're ready to scale, our infrastructure allows them to do that instantly. And most people are starting at the basic levels, which is just to connect devices and be able to see them in the cloud. Of course, TeamViewer does that as well. And the next step then is to be able to manage these devices. And most people today, when they talk about managing IoT devices, they're talking about sending commands. So what we call scripted control. If the temperature is above this, this threshold, turn on the air conditioning. Or if the device is behaving erratically, reset it. What TeamViewer does is allows the operator, somebody who's responsible for those machines, to actually remote in and see what's going on and troubleshoot and then make a decision as to what action needs to be taken. That is truly unique in the marketplace today.